Oh, welcome to What We Thought. We are so glad that you stopped by to check out this video. We hope you enjoy it. I'm Kevin, and if you follow the channel, you already know where Elizabeth's at this weekend. So anyway, I'm going to do a quick little review here on this garden pond that I got back here. Garden feature, the little pond. We're loving it. So let me just show you a little bit about it. Okay, so I was given this kidney-shaped pond. So we decided to utilize it, and I had some rocks, and we got to get a fountain in there. So I went online and bought this, I don't know, Papa Soap solar filter kit. So, you know, the instructions are clear as mud. But there's the pump. It already had all the little beads and filter stuff in it. I set it down in there so that I could get the tubing and then the cable run for the solar part to make sure where everything goes. I'm not sure about the tubing yet. I'm gonna have to clean this out, fill it with water, and see how it pumps. So I'll be back. I got it cleaned up. I got my hose in there. We're gonna start filling this up. Temporarily got it running through there and up top of that rock. We'll see how that works. I don't know if that's charged, but yeah, it's a start. Okay, the water is reaching in there and it's starting to actually pump it up right under the top. We are filling back in, so it looks like this is just gonna work out pretty good. Let this finish filling up. We'll probably try to fix this up on the top to get our actual fountain coming down, but it looks pretty good. Okay, so we got it filled up and it is pumping really nice. It's got a nice sound. And for now, that's our little pond to go with the rest of this backyard and our garden. And we got garden boxes over here. We got some ugly wood for right now, blocking shade for the plants. But yeah, I think, well, this is just day one, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so here's an update on my garden pool, or pond. I ended up getting all the rocks that we had around the property here and stacking them around and making it look nicer. Now this little feature right here is pretty cool. Elizabeth was out at a garage sale and they had this little feature for $3. You know, it had the bottom. The lady didn't want it because it, the base that it had on it, you know, it splashed on their patio or something. So anyway, for $3, I took the base off and I set it inside the pond. And that little solar pump is strong enough to pump it up all the way up. You can see it's actually pumping it really well. And anyway, so this is the completed pond with the rocks all the way around it. I do have some plants, the lavender. I don't know if I can save them or not. They were dying in those pots. So yeah, the pond was given to us, $3 for the water feature, and these rocks here were already at the property. They were scattered all over, so we had to collect them. But anyway, we're enjoying this pond. It's been in here for a month or so. It does get some algae in there that I need to get some algae cleaner, but there you go. This is an awesome addition to our backyard. So that's it. That's our garden pond. If you got any questions or concerns about that pump, it's been working great. It's been in for at least a month, maybe a little bit longer. And you know, we'll end up putting some gravel around and maybe some more plants around it, but for now we are loving this little water feature. Thanks for watching What We Thought, and we'll hope we see you on the next video. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and join us on our journey.